Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Right, first thing that you need to do here is to open up your Facebook app on your phone. Now once you're in the app, all you're going to want to do is go to the search bar at the top, tap on that. Now once you're in here, if you can't see Marketplace in here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see Marketplace. All right, if not, you can't manually search Marketplace right here at the search bar. All right, just type in Marketplace. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now once you're on the Marketplace, you're going to want to go ahead and tap on this person icon right here at the top right. Tap on that. All right, next thing that you need to do is to go to the star icon right here, which says reviews to write. All right, as you can see here, I have 5 reviews to write because I didn't review the successful purchases that I had. All right, so basically what you're going to want to do is tap on review right here at the right side. All right, for example, this one, review. How was your experience with the seller? Just go ahead and select the stars that you want to. All right, what went well? Just for example, pricing, item description. You can select all if you want to. All right, once done, just go ahead and hit on submit. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.